Gentlemen, give it up for the CRTV Orchestra. Decades doing amazing work. Good evening, distinguished guests, media professionals, ladies and gentlemen, and you, our favorite viewer. Look at us, 40 years of television in Cameroon. Put your hands together if you're excited. You are welcome to Mes Années Télé, my TV years. Should I tell you a little bit about my TV years? Mondays were all about the show. Tuesdays was debate with Auntie Bex. By Wednesday, I was in Dreamland. One time I was Celine Dion, the next Grace Dacre in the Délire Folie. By the time we got to Thursday, I dropped back to earth with Solidarité. And then when it came to Friday, I laid back because it was Vendredi show. And then there was a shake-up. Something interesting happened. It wasn't just the CRTV anymore. There was variety. And you know what they say? Variety is the spice of life. So these weekends, if you want entre haute, you can go to Sun TV. If you want Selo Weekend, then you can have some balafon. Or if you're more like Jambo, then you should be on Canal 2. That is what we have as television today, bringing us together, entertaining us, and informing us, because the news has always been a reminder of the social, economic, and political side of this country. So you know what we're going to do tonight? We're going to celebrate the triumphs and the transformations of television. And another thing we're going to do is we'll celebrate all of you, the visionaries, the broadcasters, the entertainers, and of course, the viewers. My name is Patience Mbele. I'm going to be your host tonight. I'm not alone because I have a man of charm, charisma, and wit. He's been doing television for over 30 years. Put your hands together as we welcome Léonard Chatelain.
Thank you very much, Patience. Merci pour cet accueil chaleureux. Monsieur le ministre de la Communication, monsieur le directeur général, messieurs les directeurs, mesdames les managers des entreprises invitées en cette soirée, acteurs de médias, médias invités, nous sommes à vous saluer parce qu'aujourd'hui, sur cette scène des noces d'émeraude de la télévision avec ses publics, on sait que l'émeraude c'est la pierre de la sagesse, mais je peux vous rassurer que ce soir, bon, on ne sera pas si sage que ça. On va débrider cette soirée, mesdames et messieurs. Déjà, avec un premier artiste qui arrive, il est habitué des lumières et des caméras. Isnebo nous vient du nord du Cameroun, avec le Fadaka Hotel, c'est maintenant.